The Helpful Elephant. Short story. In a peaceful jungle lived a gentle elephant who loved helping every animal. One hot afternoon, a large tree fell across the only forest path. The smaller animals couldn't get through. The elephant carefully pushed the tree aside, making the path safe again for everyone. The animals thanked him, but the elephant smiled and said, "Helping others is the greatest reward." From that day on, the animals worked together whenever someone needed help. Moral: kindness grows when we help one another. Thank you for watching.